Okay, guys, so today you are going to be doing this activity. It's called Marbleslides and it's for lions. So you type in your name so that we know who did this activity. Oh, here, this one's better. Okay, here we go. So this is what we're going to do. The goal is over here. We're trying to get all the stars and we're going to practice writing equations. So when you press launch, you can see what we're talking about. So over here on the right hand side is a launch. So we have this cute little marble and we have these stars. It's kind of like the coin collecting. So we're trying to create a path to get these stars. Okay. All right. So we're going to use the Desmos calculator. And over here on the left hand side, you can see this equation. We need to change one number in the row to fix this marble slide. Okay, so here's our little marble up here, and we want it to slide on the line to collect these stars. Well, you can see this line is a little too tall because its y-intercept, where my line crosses the y-axis, is at 0, 1. Um, but that's not going to work with our slope of 1/2, so that's a rise of 1 and a run of 2. We're not going to get to these stars. So these stars still have a rise of 1 and a run of 2. If you notice, if I look at this star compared to this star over here, I rise 1 box and then run 2. So it looks like I have the correct slope, but my y-intercept is not quite there. So you can change this number to whatever you want and it will move the line for you. So if I put it at -7, it's all the way down here. And you should be able to move the graph. I guess you can't on this one. Okay, so let's try -4. So we're getting closer. So we're trying to figure this out. What you could do is you could stand on this star and you can go opposite your slope. So it has a rise of 1 and a run of 2, but we can go down 1 into the left 2, down 1 into the left 2, which would intersect here at -2. So my equation should really be -2. And then we're going to launch the ball. And hooray, we got all the stars. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be fixing these equations in order to collect all the stars. So if you have too much fun and you want to reset your marble screen, then you can follow these instructions. So you just press the little gear and then it will reset it for you. Okay. So this gear up here is the gear that we were just looking at, and that will reset everything back. So that's the suggestion that we're giving you is to count from one star to the next to figure out your slope and then to count to the y-axis so you can figure out your slope intercept. Okay, have lots of fun. Collect all of the stars. Ask your question teachers if you have any questions. Okay, bye guys.